Hello. In this video, we will be explaining the concept of electrohydraulic steering. Traditional hydraulic steering uses pressurized hydraulic fluid to give the driver more power while steering. Hydraulic steering is designed to feel easy and comfortable to use, comply with safety requirements, and be easy and flexible to install. When steering, the number of rotations that the steering wheel takes to go from one side to the other is referred to as the number of revolutions, or turns, lock to lock. Typically, this number will be from 3 to 5. The force that is required to turn the steering wheel is referred to as the steering input torque level, which is typically from 1 to 3 Newton meters. To calculate the displacement of the steering unit, we divide the cylinder stroke volume by the desired number of turns lock to lock. For example, if we have a cylinder with a volume of 800 cubic centimeters and want 4 rotations lock to lock, then the displacement of the steering unit will need to be 200 cubic centimeters per revolution. This is based on hardware and will not be able to be modified after production. Electrohydraulic steering, or e-steering, creates the possibility of supplementing this displacement with electronics. For example, if we have a cylinder with a volume of 800 cubic centimeters, we can connect a hydraulic steering valve of 200 cubic centimeters per revolution and an electrohydraulic steering valve, so that both are connected to the left and right sides of the cylinder. This allows for 3 possibilities while steering. The first possibility is that only the hydraulic valve is working, so each revolution of the steering wheel will move 200 cubic centimeters of fluid from one side of the cylinder to the other. This is known as traditional steering. The second possibility is that both the hydraulic and electrohydraulic valves are in use. A sensor determines how much the steering wheel is rotating and sends a message to the controller telling the electrohydraulic valve to actuate. This allows for the displacement to be increased, for example, from 200 cubic centimeters per revolution to 400 cubic centimeters per revolution. This would then reduce the number of revolutions lock to lock from 4 to 2. This functionality is known as quick, fast, or variable rate steering. The third possibility is only using the electrohydraulic valve, so the steering wheel is not in use. Therefore, all the oil flow for steering is produced by the electrohydraulic valve. This allows for different steering modes, such as joystick, e-wheel, GPS or auto guidance, and four-wheel steer or multi-axis, along with other safety features and functionalities. Danfoss e-steering offers 2 main units. On the right is an OSPE, which has both a hydraulic and electrohydraulic valve in the same unit. On the left is an EHI, which is only an electrohydraulic valve. This allows the EHI to be placed anywhere on the vehicle alone or to be placed along with a traditional steering unit. That is everything for this video. Thank you for watching.